Here are your headlines from KPRC Channel 2 and click2houston.com.
Good evening, I'm Andy Sirota with KPRC Channel 2 News. Here are the stories making headlines tonight. The World Series champs are finally back home after their historic victory against the LA Dodgers. The Astros return to Houston, where fans all over are preparing to celebrate. And speaking of celebrating, Friday is a big day. It's the Astros Victory Parade. It is also the city's first championship victory parade since the Rockets' back-to-back championships in the mid-90s. More than 500,000 people are expected to crowd downtown. The parade begins at 2 o'clock. Tough news for Texans fans. Quarterback Deshaun Watson has suffered a season-ending injury. The rookie quarterback suffering a torn ACL during practice. Watson was named the Offensive Player of the Month in the NFL. He was also named Rookie of the Month. And for our weather overnight, muggy conditions with lows in the low 70s.